Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, low tire pressure warning, compass. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.